Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on expanding surd brackets. Remove brackets from the following and collect like terms where possible. So in the first example we have 5 outside of the square root of 3 plus 2. 5 times the square root of 3 is 5 root 3. 5 2's are 10. That's the answer. For the second example, 3 times the square root of 5 is 3 the square root of 5. 3 times 2 is 6, and there's the minus sign. For this example, 5 3's are 15, that gives us the square root of 15. And 5 2's are 10, that gives us the square root of 10. You can notice in each of these examples, each of those three answers, we do not have any like terms, so we can't add anything together. For example 4, we have the square root of 7 multiplied by each of those terms, so if you multiply those two together you get the square root of 21, there's the minus sign, and 7 2's are 14. So that's the answer. Over here, you have 2 the square root of 5 multiplied by each of those terms. 2 3's are 6, 5 2's are 10. So you just multiply the numbers outside the square root sign to give you 6, and you multiply the numbers inside the square root sign to give you 10. 2 4's are 8, 5 6's are 30. So that's the answer. For this one, it's a little bit tricky, but the first thing we do is we take the square root of 7 and we multiply it by those terms. So the square root of 7 outside of 3 plus the square root of 2. Then we take 5 and we do the same thing. So there's the 5, there's the 3 plus the square root of 2. Now it's quite straightforward. Multiplying those two together gives you 3 the square root of 7. Multiplying this term by that gives you the square root of 14. 5 3's are 15. And 5 times the square root of 2 is 5 the square root of 2. So in each of those 6 examples, there were no like terms, so you can't add anything together. That's why I said collect like terms where possible. So when it's not possible, you just leave the answer the same. So we'll move on to the last slide right now.